Thank you for reaching FTC4 production. Welcome to my channel, my people from any corner of planet Earth. Thank you for your unquestionable loyalty, for your unquestionable support, eternal support. Thank you for being around, always sticking around to this channel. Thank you for coming back again and again and again. This channel is only looking out for things that you may be interested with and you take advantage of, but the best of everything for free. You know, I'm a very fanatic of information. Information is really powerful, and I actually have joy of submerging myself into it because I know information used to be withheld by a chunk of elite selfish people back in the time that wanted to have information only for themselves, and the mass couldn't get that much access to it. But those are things of the past. Now we have technology on our side. We have many access to information. There is no excuse for us to learn something new, a new skill, or to find out anything that we don't know about it. We just gotta go on the internet and find it. I know you cannot catch all the best flight at the airport nowadays, but you can catch a few of them if you put yourself for it. Today I want to actually bring a very good intel for those pet lovers that have a dog at home that want to provide really good food to them. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you a great company called Zignature. And Zignature is actually trying to provide a free signature sample. Yes, you can request a free signature sample now available in original and select cuts. They have a 16 formula to choose from. Limited ingredient formula with quality ingredients for your pet, made with high quality nature ingredients. So you're gonna be giving real yummy food to your pet. Here is the application, so you submit your request. It's really important. What type of food does your pet prefer? Made with wholesome grain or made with fiber-rich chickpeas and peas? Oh, interesting. Does your pet have any diet restriction? Yes, poultry, yes, red meat, yes, fish. So you can actually give them a little bit about your pet, so they can may understand better what will be the best fit of the signature request samples that they might send you. Let's check their philosophy, because it's really important to find the philosophy of your business. They have a solution. A Zignature, they set out to create one of the best dog food in the market. Their meat first, limited ingredient philosophy drove them to create a food psychological tuned to your dog. The result was a meat first nutrition with low carbohydrate ingredients, healthy enough to become your pet's signature food for life. Gotta tell you, even though I am not a pet animal, these look kinda yummy. Meat first, limited ingredients. While we all consider our pets to be family members, their dietary needs are different from ours. As carnivores first, they require a diet high in protein. That's why the first ingredient in every signature formula is quality meat, poultry, or fish. Low glycemic carbs. Their limited ingredients recipes omit high glycemic carbohydrates. Instead, they use low glycemic ingredients such as chickpea in Signature Original and oats in Signature Select Cuts, which can provide beneficial dietary fiber. Complete and balanced. Each signature receipt is fortified with essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and complete spectrum of vitamins and minerals. This way, they take every step possible to provide the healthiest food for your dog. If you sign up with their signature newsletter, you can get news, article, and fun stuff straight into your inbox. What about that? Um, I would like to make sure you understand that FTC4 Production or myself are not being sponsored by Signature. This is just voluntarily. I found a section for free that you can get. Um, um, a free Signature sample, and things are really expensive. If you get these for free, you can. I would recommend you to do your own due diligence and make sure that the samples are actually to the best of interest of your dog, because every animal is different. So I really recommend you to do that. Giving back. They support animal shelters by providing their high quality pet food 365 days per year. They not only vow to make the best pet food they can, but they promise to help pet parents and worthy organization worldwide, and couldn't be prouder for their partnership. 1.2 over 1.2 million dollars provided in food to local community. That's really nice. Globally sourced. Give your dog the world best. What goes into your dog's food matters. They source their ingredients worldwide to ensure that what goes in your dogs is optimal for their health and nutrition. Their pork, turkey, trout, whitefish, and catfish comes from the United States, which is makes me feel really happy. From Australia, they get their kangaroo and goat. Oh my gosh, they eat kangaroo. Interesting. Their lamb and venison come from the rich farmland of New Zealand. Their salmon they get from the cold waters of the northwest western United States. Um, their duck and Guinea fowl comes from Western France. Oh, interesting. Okay, good to know. Good to know. Well, let me see here. Blog. Look at that. Well, I'm just going around, you know, so you get to know more about the company. But the main source of this video is to show you that you can actually get a request. You can get to request a free signature sample, you know, and this is the way you do it. This is information you got to submit so you can get that email back to you. Okay, I'm gonna put the URL of this main page so you can come in here and check it out on yourself. If you have any other concern or any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. If you're already using these products, and you already request a free signature sample, please share with us how did it go. Do you think it's actually a really good sample that this company provide? Do you recommend this company to other people? Um, what was your experience? Please put down below, then share with us. Maybe other people might actually find useful your intel, and give it a try. All right. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give me some likes, because the goal is to go to the 100,000 subscribers. That's the first goal, and we're gonna accomplish that with your help. Good luck. I wish you the best. Stay safe out there. Keep your distance. And until the next video, have a wonderful day.